Mula sa isang maliit at nirerentahang radio station sa loob ng Calvo Building sa Escolta, sama-sama nating napakinggan ang inaugural broadcast ng Republic Broadcasting System sa radyo noong 1950. In 1961, RBS-TV Channel 7 was born, making a bold move as the country's third TV station, operating with just 2 cameras and a surplus transmitter. Then, GMA made huge strides in the broadcast industry. Sa ngayon, ang kasalukuyang tahanan ng Kapuso Network ay nagsisilbing main headquarters ng television, radio, and digital operations ng GMA. In our 75 years and beyond, ang GMA ay mananatiling kanlungan ng sino mang kapuso na kaisa natin sa hangaring magpasaya at maglingkod ng